Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today let's check out Bubblix, one of the easiest ways to earn crypto from your phone or desktop. Sign up with your Faucet Pay email. Once you log in, your dashboard is on the left-hand side. Select Faucet on your dashboard. Choose a coin and solve the simple CAPTCHA. You can click out the stupid pop-up ad in the middle of the screen. Simple, your claim goes directly to Faucet Pay. You can switch coins to claim while the Faucet timer runs out. Once you have done a few claims, go back to Faucet Pay to check your balance. As you can see, your coins have instantly arrived in your wallet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.